how do we solve for x here? So we are given x squared equals to 3 to the power x. Solution. So x squared equals to 3 to the power x. Now, what we are going to do here is to bring the powers down. So I will take the natural log on both sides. So that will be ln of x squared equals to ln 3 to the power x. So this one is a power rule. When we have ln of a to the power n, the same as n ln of a. So we have 2 ln of x equals to x ln of 3. So from here, we can group the x on one side, okay? So we have 2 ln of x equals to x ln of 3. So let's divide both sides by 2. If I do that, this one will go. We'll left with ln of x equals to x ln of 3 on 2. And I want this one to come here. So I will make it over x times 1 over x. So this one will cancel. So we have ln of x on x equals to ln of 3 on 2. Okay, now let's focus on the left hand side. Okay, so let's write the left hand side in a linear form. So when we have 1 on t to the power n, the same as t to the power minus n. So we can write this one as ln of x times x to the power minus 1 equals to ln of 3 on 2. Okay, now before we can continue, let's observe the following. Now, when we have x times c to the power x and take w function, the answer will be x. So before we can continue, we have to apply Lambert W function. And also E exponent ln of something, the result is that. So what we are going to do is very simple. We are going to introduce C, which will pave way for the W function here. So we are going to support this. My next step will be ln of x times. Instead of writing this, I'll make it E raised to ln of x to the power minus 1. So this one is the same as this equals to ln of 3 on 2. All right, so this one is a power rule, okay, which will come behind. So that will be ln of x times c raised to minus ln of x equals to ln of 3 on 2. Okay, now let's observe this one. We have the e here. Remember, alpha times e raised to alpha. So what is here must be equal to this. So we have negative ln of x. The other side is positive. So we have to balance it. So I will multiply through by negative. So minus ln of x times c is that equals to negative ln of 3 on 2. Alright, so with this we can take w function. So we have w function times e that equals to w function of minus ln of 3 on 2. Okay, so from here, my answer for the left hand side will be minus ln of x equals to w function of that. Simple as that. Now remember, this one is the same as ln of x to the power minus 1. So this one is a power rule which will come behind. So this one is the same as this equals to w function of minus ln of 3 on 2. Okay, now the next thing is to get rid of this ln. Remember the rule, this one still holds e raised to ln of p is p. So to get rid of this, we have to raise both sides e, okay, e. So e raised to ln of this. My answer will be x to the power minus 1 equals to e raised to w function of that. So we have this. Now, x to the power minus 1 is the same as 1 over x. So we have 1 over x equals to e raised to w function minus 2. We have this. Okay. So from here, we can interchange the position. Okay. So my x will be 1 on e raised to w function of minus ln of 3 on 2. So there's the solution. Okay. So the question x squared equals to 3. 3 to the power x. That's a solution of this. E raised to w function of minus ln of 3 on 2. So this is the answer to this. All right.